A 17-year-old is making music history, all while playing with just one hand. Fox 10's Annalisa Pardo has her story.
Piano has always been a part of Freya Terrace's life.
The first thing I remember really doing was playing Defying Gravity from Wicked as a piano duet with my teacher when I was in about P2. I was maybe about 6.
2 years ago, everything changed.
It might be fair to say I love playing the piano a little bit too much.
Those years of piano caught up. The bone in her right hand had eroded, impacting her nerves and leading to surgery. Freya was left unable to play her beloved instrument with her right hand.
Where most people would maybe accept that setback and stop playing and quit the piano, she did the opposite.
Through online lessons across a 7-hour time difference, the Irish teen worked with her Arizona-based music teacher, Rory Dowse, spending more than a year relearning how to play piano only using her left hand.
It's very difficult. We're used to using the right hand to play melody and left hand accompaniment with some bits in between. And all of a sudden, one hand is taking on the demands of what you could do with two.
Freya overcoming all odds, even writing to the world's leading piano grading entity, the Associated Board of the Royal Schools of Music, asking for a Grade 8 program for a one-handed pianist. Until then, the highest grade program for a one-handed player was Grade 5. In its nearly 140-year history, Freya became the first one-handed pianist to pass Grade 8.
Exams aren't the be-all and end-all of music. Nobody makes music to take an exam and get a qualification out of it. But at the same time, it's a useful thing to have. It's nice to be able to say you've got it, and even in the face of like applying to university and things like that.
I knew she would do it. I was really pleased that she had made that massive progress for herself.
As for her next act, well, Freya has no plans for a final curtain.
I hopefully will study music at university. Just keep doing what I'm doing and keep enjoying what I'm doing.
Annalisa Pardo, Fox 10 News.